In this video, we're going to take a look at how to create WordPress pages. To get started, click on the pages link here and click on Add New. And right here, you will see the Add New page. So I'm going to enter a page title and I'm going to call it Contact. And at the bottom here, I can easily add some text. I can also choose to bold certain text if I want to. I can italize the text, and I can also select to change the color of the fonts by clicking on this button here that pretty much enables the advanced editor functions, and I can just select the color, and as you can see, the color of my font has changed. If you're comfortable with HTML, you may want to switch between the visual tab and the HTML tab, which enables you to see the actual HTML code. But if you do not know any HTML, then you may just stick to the visual editor. Now if you look at the right hand section, you will see some options for your WordPress page. The first one is the status of the page. You can choose to save it as a draft, or you can choose to save it as pending review if you are writing for some other blog. If you choose pending review and click on OK, then this new page that you've created will be sent to the owner of the blog for approval, and then the owner will be able to publish the page. And the next thing that you'd want to do is to select the visibility for this page. You can choose to make it public, which means that anyone can see this page, or you can choose to make it password protected and enter your own password, or you can choose to make it private. The difference between the two is that if the page is password protected, it will still be visible to the general public, but the contents will be protected by a password, and your visitors will be prompted to enter a password. If you put it as private, on the other hand, the general public will not be able to see that page. Only you and other editors or other users of your WordPress blog will be able to see that page. The next thing that you can do with a WordPress page is you can choose to either publish it right now, or you can select a date in the future where you want to publish it. You can select the month, and you can also select the year if you want to, and the exact date. So I'm going to put it as today. Okay, and at the bottom here you'll be able to see some page attributes. In WordPress you can assign another page as the parent page, which means that this page that you are creating will be listed under the parent page. So you can actually pretty much arrange or rearrange pages by selecting parent pages and child pages. In this example, since this is our first page, there's nothing that appears here, but you can usually see a drop down menu here that allows you to assign parent pages. Certain blog themes that you may be using will have different page templates that you can select in this section. For example, in the default theme, the default template is basically the standard template used by blog posts and every other blog page, but you can also select the archives page template, or if this is a links page, you may want to select the links page template. I'm going to leave it as default template for now, and here you can create the order of pages in your WordPress blog. As you create more and more pages, you may wish for some of the pages to appear before others in your WordPress navigation. So you can select the order here, and if you want this page to appear before every other page in your WordPress blog, you can just select edit the value and put it as 1, and then you can just publish your page. So now that my page is published, I can then edit the actual permalink for this page. For example, just because my page title is called contact, not necessarily it doesn't necessarily mean that I want the URL also to appear as contact. So I can click here and I can change this to anything I want. For example, I can call this page support, but the title here I can always change the title to something different if I want to. And just click on save to save the permalink. And you can see that the permalink has been changed to support. And what I need to do to change the changes overall is just to click on update page. And that's how you create pages in your WordPress admin dashboard.